If your engine is running like it's starved for air, you might have a hidden problem. A vacuum leak is essentially a hole in the system that normally maintains a steady vacuum pressure within the engine, drawing in air and fuel to create the perfect mix for combustion. The engine's vacuum system works by using the intake manifold to create a negative pressure environment, which helps to draw air and fuel into the cylinders, and it's maintained by a variety of components including hoses, gaskets, and the intake manifold itself. What's surprising is that even a small leak can cause a big drop in engine performance, and many people misunderstand how sensitive the system can be. This matters to you day to day because a leak can decrease your fuel efficiency, cause rough idling, and even lead to more serious problems like overheating or engine damage. To check for leaks, try spraying some brake cleaner around the intake manifold gaskets and hoses while the engine's running, and listen for any changes in the engine's sound. By staying on top of this, you can keep your engine running smoothly and avoid costly repairs down the line.